Oh, it actually went off. What's going on? I'm gonna take as a no. Alright.
This is the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio.
No, that's my cheese stick. Get my cheese stick.
Weather radio station KJY68 Chillicothe, Ohio. Public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test would be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using
I thought I turned your tone on.
in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated
No, I didn't. What the frick?
watches and warnings for the following counties: Fairfield, Fayette, Hawkins, Jackson, Chipaway, Pike, Ross, and Vinton. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KJY68 Chillicothe, Ohio. And now the extended.
So, I had 3 radios on, the Starlink 12-50 and WR120. These 2 went off, but the 120 didn't. I don't know why, but yeah. So, there we are. First weekly test without KIG86 because he got struck by lightning. And I've said that a million times now. I need to stop.